In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Steam mobile points. If you want to quickly see how many Steam points you have using the mobile app, the good news is that it's a very simple process and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening the Steam app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded so all of the menu options appear properly. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines in the bottom corner of the app. Tap that to open the navigation menu. After the menu opens, find the Store option. Go ahead and tap Store to open the dropdown. This will expand the available store-related options inside the app, and from there you'll be able to access the section that shows your points information. Next, tap on Point Shop. This is the area of Steam where points can be viewed and used on things like profile items and other cosmetic rewards. Once the Point Shop opens, you're very close to finding your current balance. From there, tap on From Your Games. After selecting that option, your Steam points balance should appear on the screen. That's where you can check how many points are currently available in your account. If you don't see the balance right away, give the page a second to load and make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account in the mobile app. Sometimes a quick refresh or reopening the section can also help if the app is running slowly. And that's all it takes to check your Steam mobile points using the Steam app. Once you know the path, it's quick and easy to find anytime you need it.